Greetings, my friends, from Obi Nkwo Chineke. You're highly blessed and empowered to achieve good through the existence of the wind, water, and sand. These elements, used by our Creator, sustain all humans and monitor all activities on Earth without a mistake. Acknowledge Him as the Father of all fathers. Today is Nkwo Market Day. As you go out to earn for the betterment of life, may you earn good profit in your business. And may your buyers resell your goods and earn good for their living. From today on, the good for the betterment of life and strength, you shall conceive to build your family according to your good plans toward your family. Everything suitable for human life you shall receive to better your life and your good plans. Receive strength and wisdom via the wind, water and sand that sustain your life and monitor your activities without a mistake. These elements record your daily activities before the Creator of the universe, Chukwu Okike Abiyama, the Almighty Owner of all humans and languages. We are safe and blessed via the existence of the wind, water and sand. From now on, any evil spirit and evil plans of humans against you and your entire family, the wind, water and sand that monitor all activities on earth, shall destroy them and render them powerless. I see. Whatever comes against you and your daily activities to place food on your table shall be powerless, I see. You are blessed. From today on, the wind, water and sand will fight your battles, both spiritual and physical, and grant you victory over your entire enemies. I see. From today on, the wind, water and sand attached to all human beings will bring to you the good that is suitable for your life from your fellow humans to better your life. I see. From today on, through the constant work of the wind, water and sand on earth, your struggle to survive and better your life and your family shall not be in vain. Isi, receive prosperous life and be great in your good doing. Isi, be blessed from Obi Nkwo Chineke, also known as the wind, water and sand, the blessings of the universe. Onye endu ikuku achinike.